Okay, this is going to be a real short video about the aux port, the auxiliary port on my Chevy Express van radio. The port was loose, like a lot of them get, and obviously wasn't working, and so I took it apart thinking that it would just be bad solder joints like most of them. This one wasn't. This was actually completely broke off. So there's supposed to be pins here where it would get soldered to the board. So those were completely broke off, so that wasn't going to work. So I kind of went on the hunt for a new plug and found some at Digikey. So if you look, here's the part number. I'll pause there for a second so you can take a look. But that's the part number for them. And I ordered a couple of them just because they were $1.50 or something each. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. And it's pretty much a one-to-one. It fit great. Soldered it right in. I haven't tried it yet in the truck, but I don't know why it wouldn't work, so. Anyway, one more time. Part number from Digikey. If you need the part, give them a shout, order it up. And then if you have problems or whatever, actually swapping it out, there's a ton of videos for that. Anyway, good luck. Thanks.